we realized that we've actually not been vlogging for a few days. We've just been relaxing, work, all of that. But today, my handsome husband decided that he was taking her to brunch. So yeah, I'm ready.
That's the idea. Yeah, I mean, like, we enjoy spending time together, indoors, outdoors. So it just looks like a good day to have brunch. The weather is shitty though, but that's not stopping us. So
Manchester.
So we just want to go have
Sunday brunch.
time out.
Yeah. He said we're in the Christmas spirit. It's like 1 week to Christmas now. So yeah, this is us in the Christmas spirit, trying to soak in the entire day. And today is a very busy day in Manchester, so we need to go out and come back early. Manchester United is playing Manchester City, and I know he wants to come back and watch it in the comfort of his house.
I'm giving her this dedicated time because in the next 3 hours, like, I'll be a different person. But it's also a distraction though, because for some reason Jennifer keeps looking at the tree. Yeah. She can't wait for us to get to 25th. So and I've been telling her 25th it is. So
you know what Precious
it's always
said?
best to get out of the house.
He has wrapped 9 presents.
Is it 9?
Yeah, I counted. And then he told me it's all Christmas eggs. Like,
I don't know why she doesn't buy into that.
you just
why
buy me Christmas eggs.
I wrapped the box. So we needed boxes to fill up the tree, right? I got boxes. I filled them with eggs to make them work. And then I put them there. I don't know why she's not believing what I'm saying. She thinks she's got like presents in the boxes.
Out on Christmas Day if it's actually eggs.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Alright, let's go.
Right.
But see, she looks so pretty. Like, I think she needs to
Precious told me that I should get ready in 10 minutes, so I didn't properly make up.
See what she came up with in 10 minutes. If I give her 2 hours, I don't know. I think I'll probably just be licking my fingers, you know, because now I'm already drooling.
Are you foolish? So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this jacket. I got this from Zara. My gown is from Cider. I'm wearing it with like a white inner top. Should I show you guys? Okay. No, I don't feel like buttoning this up again. I'm wearing with a white inner top. I got from H&M, and I'm wearing my tights from Primark and my loafers. Yeah, from Zara. My bag also is from Zara. My gloves are from H&M because this jacket is not so thick, but I don't feel like wearing something bulky, so I need to also protect myself. So yeah, that is my look. What about you? What are you wearing, baby?
This outfit check was for you though. Well, yeah. just for sake of completion, yeah, I'm just wearing these hoodies from Zara. I'm wearing my, what is it called now?
Cargos.
My cargos from
Boohoo,
yeah. And then my sneakers are from Adidas. Yeah, new ones I got. Yeah, so that's
killing it.
Let's go.
Let's go eat. I'm going to get mimosa as well. Excited!
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
You guys, it's so important to marry a good man. Like, let me just tell you guys that. And this man there has been this way since we are dating. Like, I'm just here watching YouTube and drinking a glass of wine while he's watching match and making us dinner. Like, what? Am I not the luckiest girl alive? And guess what? They won. So like we're celebrating tonight. Yes, Manchester is red, baby. We won.
Let me spice this stew for you.
Yo, baby. Now I know that food will be amazing. Amazing. Like, I can't wait to show you guys what the meal looks like. And he's using turkey, which is like one of my favorite protein after goat's meat. So, amazeballs. Amazing. I also have not shown you guys this fully, or have we? Yeah, I think we showed you when we're done, but I moved the bow, like that bow, to the top one after. Yeah, it's not focusing, but like I moved the bow to the top one, and then this is what it's looking like. And this is what I'm up to. Watching YouTube. You know? YouTube wine and yapping. Precious is not like a social media crazy person, even though we are content creators. He's never always on like Instagram and TikTok, and me, I'm always there. So he doesn't know the whole drinks and yapping, drinks, dinner and yapping.
But it's funny how we go watch social media, but
You
the kind of things
you
that come
you
on
watch.
my page are different from yours.
It's because like your page is only filled with the kind of things you watch. He watches football news, Nigerian news, and Nigerian drama. And those are the things that comes up on his page.
It's not true. See,
It's true. And then our sense of humor is different. The kind of things that crack him up and the kind of things that crack me up.
No, I'm an enthusiast for knowledge. Like,
Ooh.
I like different things.
So are you calling me dumb?
No. You want different things. I don't know, for some reason. Like, we see completely different things. Like, I always know a bit of everything happening in the world, right?
And I don't.
I don't know. I don't know, but things like yappies or nappies, like, I don't know,
Yapping.
Oh, yapping.
Yeah.
It doesn't come on my page.
Oh gosh.
But most of the other things, though.
So the thing is, if we organize trivia night or something, Precious will make our team lose. Because he does not know like worldwide things like that. But
I do. You're talking about maybe like worldwide things from a comedy perspective.
So
but when it comes to
things like send it to me, Rachel. Do you know that?
no, those are comedy things now.
That's my point.
Yeah, but when it comes to like politics, like technology, basically like things happening in the world, I know.
But don't I always surprise you with those facts? I usually know them too. I'm not just interested in them, but I know them.
Not really.
What do you mean by that?
Not
I know.
really. You
I know what's
them,
happening.
Rachel,
I know what's happening in the UK political space. I know what's happening in Nigerian political space. What are you on about? Okay. So this and yap, why my man cooks for us. So this is what I'm doing, watching wedding videos for inspiration, and this is such a beautiful wedding. We're definitely in wedding planning era, so watching videos and planning the perfect wedding.
In this time, even before
That's
meeting you,
who we're marrying.
there was just that one thing missing for him to have that push.
So yeah, getting inspiration and Kyle days so good. His wedding videos always blow my mind. So yeah,
because you are both very
I have to watch this.
As soon as I heard you, I realized.
I see, dinner is served. I was about to taste it, but I was like, let me show you guys first. So you eat with me. This is Cutsy, my baby, and that's his own food. He always has to eat his food with bananas. Not me. Watching wedding videos, but I guess now we're about to eat. I'll switch to Netflix. So yeah, dinner time.
It's a beautiful evening. Jennifer is making dinner and I'm busy like fixing us drinks. Like she likes white wine and I've gotten her white wine. I've also decided to treat myself to a bottle of red wine as well.
Fancy red wine.
Bordeaux, you know. So yeah, we're both having what we like. But I think when I'm done with my red wine at some point, I probably might also join her with her white wine because I've got like an extra one as well. Yeah. So we're just having a good evening. We're prepping for Christmas. It's almost Christmas Eve, we're counting down, so yeah, it's just my wife and I having the time of our lives, looking forward to our first Christmas together as married couples. You know, good time. I don't know what she's making, but it looks really
I also
nice.
don't know what I'm making. I just saw vegetables in the fridge and I was craving pasta, but I'm trying for the pasta to be healthy. And I decided to just add as much vegetable as possible.
Healthy living times.
And I'm adding a bit of soy sauce, this light soy sauce with reduced salt from M&S. So yeah, we're trying to stay fit while enjoying.
While still treating ourselves.
We don't want to overdo the enjoyment.
I mean, it's Christmas. What do you do during Christmas?
Enjoy.
And
Drink.
And
Eat. And sleep.
You know, that sort of thing. So yeah, that's the idea, you know.
I don't know how people actually make pasta like without salt or pepper. Like I'll always add scotch bonnet pepper to everything I eat.
That's very
Thank you, my love. Cheers. This your red is just so fancy.
Yes, guy.
Like, how much was your wine? You don't want to tell me.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. You're treating yourself. No problem. Because I don't like red
I'm
wine.
treating us. Like, I miss having red wine, and then because I've got like a flu, I'm just having red wine. It doesn't go into the fridge. You know that sort of thing. I'm not making excuses, so.
Yeah, you are.
I'm actually doing the right thing.
They don't want something cold.
I want something cold, and I just want something with that sour taste, you know, like, yeah, so it's been a while I had red wine. I always get white wine because Jennifer likes white wine. She doesn't really fancy red wine that much, so, you know, I'm always considerate as a good partner, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good.
Over considerate. I like that.
Guys, the tree situation keeps changing. Like, Jennifer added a few things to the tree. Like, she got this bow yesterday. Like, it looks so nice, and I think it gives the tree a more complete look. See, yeah, so it's looking so cute with the lights on. And I came back today to a few more surprises because prior to today, I know how this setup has been. Like, most of the boxes here, I know how they've been arranged, but I've seen a few more with special touches, you know, that sort of thing. See these ones, they've got like different ribbons, so I kind of think this girl is up to something, you know. And the boxes are now a bit more because I can see some tucked in at the back, you know. So yeah, it's really looking like a nice Christmas. I think we can't wait to sort of see our gifts and have a nice Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day. It feels good though, because in a long time, like, we've actually not had time to spend Christmas together. Like, it's always been down to a few things, work, you know, and just not being together in the same place at the same time. But you see how things work. This year we got married, and then now
This is the first time I'm spending Christmas.
this will be the first time, like, since started dating 5 years ago, that we would be spending both Christmas and New Year together. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I've been smiling every day. I keep telling Jennifer that I'm looking forward to, and then she's like, I've already mentioned it severally. You see that? You see this girl?
Very romantic, huh?
You see this girl? She has a bad behavior.
I'm very romantic.
That's a bad behavior. Even when she's excited, she tries to just downplay it and think, me, I can't hide my excitement. No, she gets excited a lot as well, but sometimes maybe I probably push it to the extreme. What do you call that thing?
Extra. I don't know.
Anyway, some things don't really have words to describe them. Yeah, so that's the update. Like, we just felt we should give you guys an update on how our tree is looking.
Pasta.
Okay.
It's ready. We're ready. You guys, pasta is ready. I don't know what I made, but it tastes nice and it has a lot of vegetables in it. This is just what I wanted for this perfect weather, considering someone has a flu. So yeah, this is perfect.
Sick me. But does it not feel nice that I'll be the one having this pasta? Oh my god, no. I feel so nice. I feel so happy. Like, I can't wait. I can't wait.
You guys, I honestly don't know how people go grocery shopping and actually vlog it, because it just felt like war outside today. Everybody's shopping because today is 23rd of December. So everybody's shopping today in preparation for Christmas Day, and we shopped a bit because I still need to pick up a few things, and I shopped earlier on, but unpacked that, forgot to vlog it. So yeah, I like to show you guys some of the things we got, and trust us to get wine, loads of wine. Someone is behind the camera just keeping quiet. He went shopping for drinks. He was in charge of drinks. And I know he said he also got whiskey, but I haven't seen that as well. So yeah. To replenish myself and get into a holiday mood. This is what I've been drinking all day. So I need some wine.
Wow.
I got this special wine cup for myself because if none of you know, I break things a lot. So this is not glass, so I use it from time to time when I'm drinking alone, when I'm not trying to be classy to drink my wine. So yeah, I'll just unpack this. I don't think I want to bore you guys with the things we bought, but we shopped for our Christmas breakfast and dinner. We're doing breakfast and dinner on that day. We got some wines. I don't know where everything is, but I know we got 6 bottles of wine, 2 whiskey and 1 tequila. Well, I don't know where everything is. Well, yeah, Precious got his red wine, so you guys see. I'm being a nice wife. I'm letting him drink red wine. Not stopping his joy on Christmas Day.
The good wife.
The good wine. And last Christmas we had, was it last Christmas or 2 Christmas ago, we had pigs in blankets and we really loved it. So this year we're incorporating that to our breakfast. And Aldi are doing like this Christmas deal, so yeah, that's good. What else is here to show you guys that's fancy? More wine. Bell pepper. I'm not so precious on this, but I'm making pepper gizzard and I'm also making pepper turkey. So this will come in handy. Excited. What else? What else? I feel like that's the major thing. I'm making shrimp coconut fried rice as well. So my coconut milk is important. So yeah, I don't know what Precious got this for, but he got a lot of things for himself. Just here beside him, watching him buy his stuff.
Everything sounds nice.
Right.
Can't wait. Can't wait.
Right.
Wait. Oh, this Christmas, what are they?
This is my juice of choice all the time. Less calories and it tastes really nice. This is like what? 6 calories per 100 ml. If you want to get 0 calories with that same taste, get the unflavored one. So yeah, that is the vibe.
Merry Christmas, baby.